2025 Honda Fury is a motorcycle that turns heads even before you start the engine. With its long, low stance, wide, raked-out front end, and a sleek profile that stretches like a predator ready to pounce, it's clear this machine is built not just to ride, but to be admired. It's Honda's most radical chopper-style bike, and it remains unapologetically bold. While the rest of the world may soften its edges, the Fury slices through convention with an attitude carved from chrome and steel. It's the type of bike that doesn't whisper, it roars. And every part of it, from the curved lines of the fuel tank to the seamless integration of modern performance, tells a story of rebellion and precision. The first thing that grabs you is the design. The Fury isn't a motorcycle, it's a rolling sculpture. The stretched-out front end features a 21-inch cast aluminum wheel with a massive rake angle of 32 degrees and a 200 series rear tire that grips the road with confidence. The result is a dramatic silhouette that echoes classic chopper DNA with modern refinement. The frame is clean and minimalist, designed to showcase the engine rather than hide it. And in 2025, Honda offers new color options that enhance its already aggressive look. The deep metallic paint, highlighted by gloss black accents and chromed-out detailing, catches the light and transforms the Fury into a showpiece on wheels. At the heart of the 2025 Fury is a 13-112cc liquid-cooled V-twin engine that delivers both performance and character. It's got a single-pin crankshaft that gives it that unmistakable V-twin pulse, a visceral heartbeat that you feel through the bars and pegs. The sound is deep and rumbling, not obnoxious, but assertive enough to command attention at idle or full throttle. With fuel injection and Honda's bulletproof engineering, the Fury starts reliably and runs smoothly in all conditions. This isn't an old-school temperamental chopper that needs coaxing. It's a modern beast with vintage soul. Performance-wise, the Fury balances comfort and power in a way few choppers ever manage. Twist the throttle, and it surges forward. With torque-rich acceleration, the 5-speed gearbox shifts smoothly, and the final shaft drive keeps things low maintenance and tidy. There's no chain to lube, no belt to worry about. Just pure connection between your right hand and the rear wheel. The engine's torque peak arrives early in the rev range, which means cruising through city streets or rolling down the highway feels effortless and commanding. It's a cruiser that's just as happy to show off as it is to eat up miles. The riding position is classic chopper. Feet forward, arms slightly stretched, back straight, head high. You sit in the bike, not on it, with the low 26.9-inch seat height cradling you into place. It's a surprisingly comfortable setup thanks to Honda's attention to ergonomics. Despite the aggressive looks, the Fury doesn't punish you with a harsh ride. The suspension is well calibrated for urban and highway riding alike. The 45mm front fork and hidden rear shock offer enough travel to absorb bumps while maintaining stability, and the geometry of the bike gives you a connected, confident feel on the road. It tracks straight and holds its line like a much more conventional cruiser. Stopping power is solid as well. The single front and rear disc brakes with dual piston calipers provide adequate braking force. It's not a sport bike, but it doesn't need to be. The brakes are well matched to the bike's weight and performance, and ABS comes standard in 2025 for an added layer of safety. It's a welcome addition that doesn't interfere with the riding experience, but gives you peace of mind when traction gets unpredictable. Instrumentation is minimalist but modern. A compact digital display is mounted on the bars, offering essential information like speed, odometer, fuel level, and trip meters. It's all clean and unobtrusive, which matches the Fury's custom look. No giant dials or clunky bezels, just what you need when you need it. Honda also integrated a more modern electrical system in the 2025 update, allowing for cleaner accessory installation. Whether you're adding a GPS unit or custom lighting, the bike's wiring is designed to support your personal touches without hassle. What really makes the 2025 Honda Fury stand out is its blend of old-school chopper styling and modern reliability. You don't have to sacrifice performance, comfort, or peace of mind to own something that looks this radical. It's a bike that's dripping in attitude but rides like a dream. It feels substantial without being overweight. It has presence without being overwhelming. Whether you're pulling into a bike night, rolling down a coastal highway, or cruising through a downtown strip, the Fury makes a statement every time. It's not just another cruiser, it's a machine with identity. One of the greatest advantages of the Fury is that it offers this custom-inspired style without the drawbacks of true custom bikes. It's ready to ride out of the box, with no need to worry about whether that gorgeous frame can handle the daily grind, or if the powertrain will overheat at a red light. This is Honda we're talking about, renowned for reliability and engineering excellence. And they didn't cut corners with the Fury. The fit and finish are top-notch. Welds are clean. The paint is deep and flawless. The chrome is mirror-perfect, and even the smallest fasteners feel premium. Customization, of course, is part of the Fury's appeal. Honda knows this isn't a bike that will stay stock for long, and they've made it easy for riders to make it their own. The aftermarket for the Fury is robust, and Honda's genuine accessories catalog includes seats, handlebars, exhausts, and lighting options to tailor the bike to your personal style. The frame and layout are also friendly to DIY builders who want to take things further. Hardtail looks, tall sissy bars, custom paint jobs, and more. The 2025 Fury is a blank canvas dressed in attitude, ready for you to make it truly yours. Fuel economy is another bonus. While you don't typically buy a chopper for efficiency, the Fury delivers respectable numbers thanks to its fuel-injected engine and smart gearing. Riders can expect an average of around 45 miles per gallon, depending on riding habits and terrain. The 3.4-gallon fuel tank offers decent range, making it suitable for both short cruises and longer weekend rides without frequent stops. And when you do stop, people will stop with you. Because the Fury isn't just transportation, it's a conversation starter. In a world where motorcycles are becoming more tech-laden, sanitized, and alike, the Honda Fury stands defiantly different. It doesn't rely on touchscreens or riding modes or semi-active suspension. It offers pure, visceral motorcycling: throttle, wind, engine, and style. It's for the rider who still believes that motorcycles should stir the soul, not just get you from point A to point B. And in that mission, the Fury succeeds like few others. It brings the drama of a chopper, the reliability of a Honda, and the comfort of a cruiser into one irresistible package. The 2025 model doesn't reinvent the wheel. It refines the already beloved Fury formula. Updated finishes, better standard features, and ABS ensure that the Fury stays relevant without losing what made it iconic. It's not a bike for everyone, but for those who get it, it's everything. It's bold when the world goes bland. It's loud when everyone else is quiet. It's built to be noticed, ridden, and remembered. That's the magic of the 2025 Honda Fury Chopper. It dares to be different, and that's what makes it unforgettable.